Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that pesky unexpected WSL error in Docker Desktop on Windows. Fast and simple, let's dive right in and get started. First step, let's clear some network clutter. Open the search bar, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Hit Yes when prompted. In Windows, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Give it a second to clear your DNS cache. Next, type netsh winsock reset and hit Enter again. This resets your network settings to refresh things. Now right-click the Start menu, choose Restart, and let your PC reboot. That's step one, nice and easy. Alright folks, let's move to the next fix. Search for PowerShell in the search bar. Right-click it and pick Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell window, type WSL-update and press Enter. This downloads the latest WSL update. It might take a minute, so hang tight. Once it's done, we're ready for the final step. Here's the clincher. Search for Windows features in the search bar and open it. Scroll down to HyperV. Expand it and make sure HyperV Management Tools is checked along with HyperV Platform if available. Click OK to save. Then right-click the Start menu again and hit Restart. Give your PC a moment to reboot and boom, Docker Desktop should fire up without the WSL error. That's it, folks. If this got your Docker running smoothly, smash that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.